Do-it-yourself Del here. Hola a todos. What we're going to be talking about now is cameras, security type cameras. What you're seeing up here is the inside of one. We drilled a hole in the house, which here's the drill, and which I was again reluctant to do. I mean, who likes to go drilling holes in your house, especially if you don't know what you're doing? Well, as long as you check that there's no wires or anything that's involved, this will be what's on the other side of the wall. Here is a security camera, and it's the third one that we put in. Yeah, third one, and so it involved a hole, obviously, in the house, and it involved running wires through it, and then this wire follows over to a receptacle for plug-in. So let's take a look outside, and let's take a look at the camera and check some of the features of it. I think for some people, they might really like this, and they have a need for it. They may not know what's involved in it, so we'll try to enlighten you and fill you in on some of the details. Let's take a look at it from the outside. Do-it-yourself Del here. We're looking at the aforementioned camera from the outside, and that you can see the green lights on. It does have some mobility as to how you can turn it. It's crystal clear. It works at night. As to ease of installation, I would say it's not as difficult as doing a simple pegboard. As you saw in another video, this was a lot easier putting this in. And for security, it records history. It records things being done. And this wasn't the first rodeo. This camera came in as a matter of after the other two. Is this number 2 or 3? Oh, this is number 3, like I said. And then the I don't know if you can swing over. The first one is up here on the garage. That was the first one. And are these branches in the way? Got a shot of it? Okay. So these two are the same company. We originally had a different company up on the garage, and that we couldn't get online with it after a while. But it was I really liked that first camera. It was a lot cheaper than these two, but just if you can't use it, you can't use it. So it worked for a while, and then it stopped. But this camera can watch that, and you've got a double field of from 2 different perspectives. So you can look out in the yard. You can see the garage, and the garage can look down the driveway, and it can also look here if somebody's here. And again, these cameras can be adjusted somewhat, not to extremes, but enough to get the idea across that and again, it's a question of expense versus the advantages that it provides you, the security, the feeling of security. And okay, are we going to put this on the same one? Don't know. Okay, so should I turn that one on? Turn on the light. It already was on, but it wasn't working. Nothing there, huh? Yeah, I don't know which. This is the switch. This looks like that's a camera. That's a camera. And then there's the dryer and the washer and the power pan. Yeah, I don't see where it's going. I think it's going right into here. And usually when you flip that switch, it goes on. But it's been working at night for me. Driving. So if you're doing a video, it's nice if it's going to go up for you. Yeah, I can't see it any other way except going into here. Well, I'll have to look at that a little bit later.
I'm gonna
Let me
bring-
try it again. I'm gonna just flip it.
Okay, it works.
Okay. I need the clapper again.